Hi again, guys. Welcome to my second channel, dedicated to digital Lego builds. Be sure to check out my other creations on my main channel, Cosbrick. Please consider to subscribe and giving this video a like, and a big thank you if you already have. I originally built this version of the Gigachad Steve Mech in real life, inspired by ChubbyBot's Mega Iron Golem, and shared it over on Cosbrick. Last week I posted an upgraded digital version of that mech here. And as promised, here comes the Gigachad Alex Mech. This build is based from the digital Steve Mech and also has been adjusted using only official Lego parts and colors. So you can build it in real life too. And nope, sorry to disappoint, no six-pack abs this time. What build would you like to see next? Or do you have any suggestions to help improve this channel? Leave a comment below. I really appreciate your feedback. Without further ado, enjoy the tutorial, enjoy the build, and thank you for watching. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.